Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. Find the equivalent resistance across the terminal XY. So we require resistance RXY from this side, then we have to solve from the opposite side. So whenever you see here, so the current flows across this 2 ohm and the same current will flow. I can say these two resistors are connected in series connection across the node Z and Y. Okay, so therefore you are going to get one resistor is nothing but 3 and another resistor 4. Okay, so connected between the nodes X and Y. So this is 4 ohm resistor, so connected between the nodes Z and Y. So Z as well as next node is Y. So this is 2 plus 2, which is nothing but 4 ohms. Again, you can observe that these two are again connected in parallel. Why? Because the current enters and current is going to divide. These two are connected in parallel. So therefore, we are going to get as an single resistor between Z as well as between Y. So this is nothing but X, this is nothing but Y. The value of this resistor is 2 ohms. 2 and 2 are connected in parallel. So the ultimate is 2 ohm. The formula behind this is so product of resistance divided by sum of resistance. So this you are going to get 2, and you can see here this current will enter into 3 ohm and it flows into 2 ohm, and these two are again connected in series connection. Why? Because current is constant. Therefore we are going to get a single resistor between the terminals X Y, which is nothing but 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 5 ohm. Hope you are able to understand the problem. I repeat the problem again. So current is same. These two are connected in series. I had got an single resistor between the nodes Z and Y. And these two, after reducing these into one, I have got two resistors. These two are again connected in parallel. I have got one resistor. Again, these two are connected in series. I had got one resistor. This is the procedure or the logic of understanding the problem. Just by looking the video, nothing you will get. Just take a book and write down the given question and solve by this procedure. And if you get this answer, the confidence what you have in your body will increase, and you'll have a confidence that I can solve many problems, and the class also will be more interesting. Thank you for watching, and if you feel the video is very useful to you, please give a like for the hard work what we're making for you, and share the video for the friends those who are studying the same subjects. And if you have any doubts at any point, please answer your doubt in the comment. And you are watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel KV Tulasi Ram. This is a free channel for the support of students and faculty. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Yours, Ram.